Hello, my name is Irie and I am so excited to show off this beautiful custom wig created by my baby sister, Kat. She did an amazing job. Obviously, I'm really feeling myself. Go ahead, Iriance. You better get it, girl. Yes. So, Kat came to my house the previous night before and bleached this hair and colored it with a phenomenal color. I love it. She used 2 bundles and a pre-plucked lace front from Beauty Box Beauty Supply and Cosmetics. This is the custom color that she colored the hair with, and I absolutely loved how this hair came out. She started with slicking my edges down with the Got2b glue and preparing it for the cap. She also blow dried my hair on a very cool or cold setting. That way the Got2b glue doesn't flake and turn white like it tends to do sometimes. I didn't use any strong adhesives for this unit because I actually am really nervous about that. I'm still new to the wig world. This is my first time actually doing the ball cap method and I absolutely love it. I love how soft this hair is and the color is very vibrant. It holds color very, very well and the lace front looks very realistic. Even Kat was complimenting my hair. She also is a hair distributor and hairstylist. So if you want a custom unit created, definitely visit Kat's Doll Collection on Instagram and you too can have a custom unit created by Kat herself. Now it is time for the wig application. This is literally my favorite part. I went from being like, oh, I don't know about this, to whoa, who is she? Anyway, she is cutting off that excess lace and making it, I guess, more like my hairline because it is a ball cap method. It's supposed to stick to your hairline and protect it from the stronger glues or wig adhesive glues. However, I'm not using any strong adhesive glues. I'm using Got2b glue the whole time and it's quite effective. Like, don't sleep on Got2b glue. It really works. That you definitely can pull on it and it's not going anywhere if you do it correctly. But make sure, the most important thing, if you don't take anything from this video, is to blow dry it on a cold or a cool setting because it really does flake very easily. So you see how nice it looks? After she plucked those hairlines, plucked my edges, the wig edges obviously, it is gonna look fabulous and I'm so excited. It's almost like I'm watching it for the first time while I'm commentating on this video. It's nice. If you want to see this live, definitely check out Irie Loves Life Facebook page. I'm going to also leave a link to that below. That way you can check out the live video. It's quite hilarious how we interact with each other. I don't know. She thinks I'm funny, but I don't know. Sometimes I'll be really serious. I don't make jokes. Alright, so now it's time for gluing this on with Got2b glue. Even though it's not glue, it's actually hairspray, like a holding hairspray. However, it definitely acts as a great glue or adhesive for the wigs. Now it is time to cut off that excess lace. And as you can see, she started to cut the lace after she already sprayed some Got2b glue on the lace and blow dried it a little bit on the top part of my lace. And she's cutting off that excess lace around my ears. I know some people have a hard time cutting off that excess lace around their ears. It's necessary, sis. Just chop. Just make the big chop. Just do it. Just do it. Anyways, I'm holding it while it dries. Well, I was holding it while it dries. And now she's going to continue to put some more got2b glue on it, on the edge of the lace, and brush the sides of the hair, and also pluck a little bit more of the hairline, because it makes it a little bit more natural appearing when you take just a little bit, not a lot. She's not creating bald spots here. She's just, you know, going in with a little bit more plucking just to make it look even more realistic. It's actually almost done, and I'm just so excited to show off, like, you know, finish. Look at that. I'm dancing. I'm so excited. I really love this color. If I wasn't nervous, I would really bleach my own hair. Look at that. Looks good. Now this is the scary part for me. I don't know about y'all, but I really am so afraid of heating tools. I had a relative that accidentally burned me with a hot curler before when I was a kid, so I get extremely nervous. And whoo, she's close. I'm nervous even watching it. Ay. Oh, my nose hair is sweating. Oh my goodness. Come on, put it down. She didn't burn me. However, it definitely lays the lace down. These hot combs, they really work. Shout out to Madam C.J. Walker. I believe she created the hot combs. Don't quote me on that. Anyways, this is her. Look at me. Uh-oh.